Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install gaming services on Windows 11. So firstly click on start, then search here WS Reset. Now click on this WS Reset run command. Now wait for a few seconds. Now exit, click on start. Now search CMD. Run as administrator. Now here type two command one by one. Then press enter. Then this second command. I will give this both command in description. If you don't have this application, so here click on get and complete this downloading and installing process, and once this complete, exit and restart your PC. So thanks for watching guys. This is the method you can download and install gaming service on Windows 11. If you're facing any error or problem, comment and subscribe this channel.